hanging out at the Rev Technical Center, and the folks at the Rev Rentals gave me permission to do videos of their RVs and share with y'all. So we're gonna visit the Vesta bunkhouse. Now, I don't know the actual model number, it's 31 something, but the label's gone off the side of the coach. But I'll put it in the description, or the title and the description, so we'll be able to find it. Of course, it's built by Holiday Rambler, and just as the other Vestas that I've looked at, it's got the fiberglass cap here in the cab over. Sleek fiberglass exterior that's easy to care for, and graphics that make it look really cool. Now this one actually has 2 slides. We'll start with the compartments. Onan 4000 generator to give you power when you're out in the wild, go do some boondocking. Great big old pass-through storage, man. It goes all the way to the other side. Here we have just another storage compartment. I love those big rotocast plastic storage compartments. A nice wet station. Oh, and now look, I see on mine, they don't have that straight down dump. Here they do. Nice. And then an electrical compartment. This is cool. Almost the exact same thing as what we have in Miss V. Ladder to get up on the roof to see what's going on there. Rear camera to see what's going on behind you. Check it out. You sit out on the patio, watch your favorite show, favorite team whoop up on the competition. Carefree of Colorado awning there. Give you some shade on a hot summer's day. Of course, both the slides have got the slide topper. Help you keep them clean. You don't have to climb up and brush off the roof every time. I see that's a big pass through as well. That goes all the way to the other side. Just more storage. And there's your electrical switch. I see that goes all the way through. Man, there's a lot of storage space there. Sweet. And of course, hey, now that's a neat idea. Space is at a premium, and the more storage you have, the better you are. Let's go inside. Super cold AC to keep you cool when it's hot. We're gonna start up here in the front. Open up the skylight. Have a bunk over in the cab over, full-size bed that'll sleep a couple kiddos and one adult. Got a big flat screen TV on the pivot, and that's connected to the Pioneer multi-function radio, CD player, DVD player, backup camera. We should have a remote start for the generator, so you can fire up that generator while you're driving down the road and keep it cool when it's hot. Booth shape, or a booth dinette with 2 bench seats, storage under those benches. That converts into a bed for 2. Have a nice big jackknife sofa. That also converts into a bed for 2. And you see we've got seat belts for 2 there and 2 there. So 6 people can ride in comfort, and it will sleep, technically, by specs, it'll sleep 8. Oh, 10. I'm sorry, it'll sleep 10, because I forgot about the bunks. A microwave convection grill by High Point. Cook stuff in a quick hurry. So we got a 3-burner gas stove for that bacon and egg breakfast that I so love. And hey man, how about some of them hot chocolate chip cookies coming out of that propane fired oven, baby. 2-bowl stainless steel sink for washing those veggies and your dishes. And a sprayer so you can spray water across the room. Residential style Whirlpool refrigerator. Man, you can pack a whole lot of victuals in there. Ice cream too. Here in the back we got 2 oh so comfortable bunks for the kiddos, and each one has their own station That's a TV. And then there's a TV over here. Hook up the Game Boy so you can get some competitive action going. Just a little spice rack kind of thing. Before we go in there, there's drawers. Each child gets a drawer. And then in here, that's about the same size as the bathroom in our Vesta. We got the Dometic porcelain stool. Nice vanity for washing the hands and brushing the teeth. No RV would be complete without Bob Barker staring at you out the vanity mirror. How disturbing is that? Shower to get clean when you're dirty. Now that's a full-size master or a small queen. Plenty of storage under there. Nice big storage compartment. Big flat screen TV so mama can lay in bed and watch her favorite story. And of course, this is the closet to hang all your clothes. Ample drawers there to get your stuff put away. Nice big storage compartment there. Of course, there's three fans. Of course, I can't get the camera angle up there while it's on the stabilizer, but all three vents in the ceiling have a 12-volt powered fan, so you can get out boondocking and get some airflow coming through. There we go, check that out. Look at all that space. I hope you've enjoyed that tour. I did. I'm having fun. Been a long time since I did a floor plan tour. Hey, if you've enjoyed what I have done, do one of them some thumbs up things. If you thought it could use some improvement, well, you can do the thumbs down thing. If you do the thumbs down, post a comment, let me know why. Most important, click on the subscribe button so you'll never miss another video from Bob Barker, Dude RV. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all come back now, you hear?